What can you do to become a better player right away? What's up, guys? My name is Leo DonLeon and I am the Academy of Poker MTT coach. I'm here to teach you how to make profitable decisions and to make poker, at least for you, great again. Today's video is about wrong attitude to the fold, exploiting weaknesses, and strategy to the early stages of the tournaments. You can test the tips in the very next session, and if you want to get them all, if you want to make sure that you're using them right, check out the Academy of Poker educational course, which was created by pros for the future pros. To get it, hit the link in the description. And now let's move back to the tips. Here is the first one. Attack the weak. Check on several streets means weakness. It means that your opponent has no hand to stay versus bets on several streets. The best bluff is still semi-bluff, but if your opponent showed weakness, you should bet even with air. The best case scenario is to bluff with blockers. Blockers are the cards that make the chances that your opponent has strong hand less. For example, if you're holding ace-x, it is less possible that your opponent is holding aces or ace-king. Fold isn't a loss. What is the key difference between novice and pro? The last knows how to fold him. He has a magic skill to lay down the top pairs if he understands that he is behind. Looks easy and obvious, but it's hard to do it at the table. The reason lies in the human nature. That's how our brains works. People are curious and hate to lose. Many beginners view fold as a loss or missed possibility to see your opponent's hand. But the truth is that not folding is the second fastest way to lose chips in poker. This tip is that simple. Fold when you are unsure. To make sure you've made the right call or maybe not, mark the hand and move back to it right after your gaming session. You can discuss it with your friends, you can post it on forum, or if you're a lonely wolf, you can discuss it with soulless solvers. That's how poker studying works. Here is the good news, we can discuss these hands together. We can do it on a group lectures or even in person. Yeah, you heard right, our educational course includes individual lessons. Wanna join it? Hit the link in the description. Be brave. Early stages of the tournaments, when the stacks are deep, are not about surviving. They are for accumulating chips. Remember, to get the money with the working stack, you are at least to triple it. So play aggressively and chip it up. It will be a foundation for your future deep run. Forget about pay jumps and just do your business. Play the tournament as if it is a cash game but with tournament chips. If you feel uncomfortable playing with the deep stack, save your time. Jump right into the late registration when the stacks are short. There is nothing wrong with it. Follow these tips and watch how your winnings grow up. Wanna get more? Join my educational course and get more advanced strategies to crush even the strongest rivals. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and tap the bell icon. Also, leave the comments below and I'll answer them with the delight. Also, follow us in Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. There you can find more tips, more interesting information and more useful strategies. That's all for now, but not easy up, the new video is coming. Next time we'll talk about the right balance between playing and studying, the purpose of bets and choosing the right game. Stay tuned!